Assalamu alaikum. We want to look at the subject and the object pronouns together in the same word. We all know that we have the pronouns in Arabic just the way we have them in the English language. I want us to look at this word on the board. The word is darabtuhu. This single word means I beat him. Darabtuhu. I beat him. This particular word, even though you look at it to be a single word, it is not just a single word. Rather, it is formed from three parts. The first part is the doroba. The first part is what? The word doroba, which is the root verb. This is the root. Doroba, which is the verb to beat. Doroba. Then the second part of this word is this two that you can see here. These two. So these two, it is attached to the verb. However, it is considered to be a pronoun. It is considered to be what? It is considered to be a pronoun. Two. It is considered to be what? To be a pronoun. But this type of pronoun is known as a subject pronoun. Why? Because it is the one showing the performer of the action. If I say dorob to, it means I beat. Dorob to, I beat. Who performed the action? I'm the one. So this two here is representing myself, the performer of the action. I, two, dorob to, I beat. Then the third part of this one single word is the who we can see here. This who is an attached pronoun. It is also what? A pronoun. But this pronoun is called the object pronoun. Why do we call it that? Because it is the receiver of the action of beating. It is the receiver of the action of what? Beating. So when I said dorob to, I beat. When I added the who, it becomes him. Who do I beat? I beat. Who did I beat? I beat him. Dorob to who? I beat him. So in this one single word, we have the verb, the subject pronoun, and even the object pronoun. Let's consider another example. Let's look at the word dorob. Dorobatha. Dorobatha. Let's look at this word. Dorobatha. Look at this. Dorobatha. This single word also means she beat her. Look at it. She beat her. The difference between this and the first is that here the performer of the action is a female and the receiver of the action is also a female. So this word also has three parts. The first part is the word doroba, which is the root. Doroba. That is the word. Doroba. That is the root. The word, the root. Then we have the ta usakin, the ta which has sukun. This ta is the indicator. It is like the pronoun indicating that the action was done by a female. So this ta usakin, ta usukun signifies femininity, that it is a female who performed the action. So if I say dorobat, it means she beats. Now look at the last part, which is her. This her is also a pronoun. This pronoun here, it means her. Pronoun her. So dorobat her, she beat her. So this pronoun is the one that we considered to be what? To be the object pronoun, because it is the receiver of the action of beating. Is this understood? So let's consider more words like this. Let's assume that I want to say that they beat him. They beat him. So what is they? You will say doroba. The doroba will still come. Dorobu whom. Okay, let's say they beat them. Dorobu whom. They beat them. Now, this word also has three parts. Look at first, the meaning of this word is what? They beat them. They beat them. So if this is the meaning, this word has three parts. The first part must be the verb doroba. Then the second part is this wa we are seeing, which is the wa ul jama'a, the wa of plurality, the wa which shows that this action is performed by many. So dorobu, they beat. So this wa is the pronoun which means they. Dorobu. So we could have other words like when we say fa'alu, it means they all did. So this wa is what is showing they. If we said qatalu, it means they all killed. So if you understand these pronouns very well, Arabic would be very easy. So this word here is also the pronoun, but this pronoun is the subject pronoun, that is the doer of the action. Then we have whom. This whom here, it is also an attached pronoun used here, which means them. It is coming here as them. So it is serving as the object what? Pronoun, the object pronoun, because they are the receiver of the action. Dorobuhum, they beat them. Another last example I will give to you is what? Dorobnahu. Dorobna, which means Dorobna means we beat. So Dorobnahu, we beat him. Is that not very easy? We beat him. So when you look at this now, you would know that Doroba here is the verb, while this na here, the na here, you look at this, we are saying that okay, sorry, yes, we are saying that doroba is the verb, which is the root word. Then na is the pronoun of the subject, because that means we. Dorobna, we beat. While who here is the object pronoun, the receiver of the action. We beat him. So from here, you could form any other word to these patterns we have shown. You can even say we ate it. We ate it. It will simply be akal na who, we ate it. Akal who, we ate it. Or um you can say fa'alnahu, we did it. Or we can say fa'alathu, she did it. Fa'alathu, she did it. So this is how easy it is to use the subject and the object pronoun in a single word. When next we meet, we discuss further. Ila dhalika al-hin ma'as salama.